Mr. Chair, IFRRO wishes to acknowledge Mr. Francis Gurry for his dedication to intellectual property and copyright, as well as his commitment to joint public-private partnerships as a means of achieving WIPO's objectives. We also warmly congratulate the incoming Director General, Mr. Darren Tang. We look forward to working together to achieve his vision and priorities. The global health crisis has dramatically affected the publishing industry and collective management of rights. The situation has also demonstrated the resilience of the creative industries in finding new ways to give access to works using the full potential of digital technologies. In this new environment, we renew IFRRO's commitment. Together with WIPO and member states, we will work to foster an ecosystem in which creative works are accessed and in which creators and publishers are rewarded each time their works are used. I'm looking forward to our cooperation. Thank you, Mr. Chair.